Oh, the Wind Light Show, November 27th.
You want to go?
Holiday train show.
I don't want to see it. Huh?
Daddy wants to see it. What are you talking
See a
about?
train show.
Okay, you got a ticket?
May I please see your tickets? I will scan them and then your entrance will be straight down there. And that's very cool, the Osmo Pocket.
Oh, you know about it.
Yep, I have one.
Oh.
I'm a photographer. I shoot with a D3300 Nikon. I do videos with my Osmo.
Yep. I had a DSLR too, but this thing is much easier if you want videograph.
Yes, it
But
is.
photography is still go back to the DSLR if you have the investment already.
That stay focused and it glides on the air when you walk.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Stays focus is huge. Surprisingly.
Have a nice day. Enjoy.
Have a nice day.
一個坐喺 Chloe 頭上面咯。
Oh, look, what bridge is that?
What?
Huh?
Brooklyn Bridge.
Oh, I just noticed.
You can have your tickets out one more time? Sure. A few things. Starting next Friday, every Fridays and Saturdays, between 5 and 10, the garden will be hosting glow nights. Okay. Members is $20, non-members $30. Okay. Recommend getting your tickets online. Over here, they'll be sold out. They already sold out from areas online. So the sooner you buy it, the better. Okay. It's a little humid in there, so if the little one can't keep a mask on, she can take it off for like 2 seconds, breathe. Okay. Restrooms is there. Before you go to the next house, please use it because they're not going to let you go back and forth. Okay. The train show is here, and over there. Okay. See this stuff, and then see the rest of the conservatory. If you go to the other conservatory, they won't let you in the train show.
So it's one way.
Yes, one-way flow.
Okay.
It's one way, only going one time?
Yes. And she can't be on your shoulder inside.
Chloe, did you hear that? You hear that? You hear that? You need to come down now. Come on. Hey, can you help me?
And the bathroom's right there, so when you go in, please come out the entrance.
Get
Go
off.
out the other, you lose access to the train show. Okay.
Oh.
130?
Yeah, I felt
You're all set.
I felt a
There's
foot
hand
shorter.
sanitizer throughout the area, so feel free to use them. The water fountain is by the restroom. So
Yep.
I'll get that time for you. Enjoy. Thank you. You're welcome.
Oh, they got labels everywhere. Highland Gardens, Newburgh, Sunnyside 1835, Washington Irving's home in Tarrytown. Oh, interesting. They got all the houses named. Ooh. Ready? Oh, that's a conservatory right there.
唔可以太大力見佢啊！好停啊，可以停呢落。
Yes.
Okay, Daddy, I want some hot. I want some Daddy.
Oh, all the building. It's like all kinds of buildings. I think they all have some kind of significance, I think. That's the George Washington Bridge. That's our famous place. Apollo Theater. Oh, and Tammany Hall. The Jewish Museum. Oh, that train just goes back and forth, eh? Look at that. Guggenheim Museum. Doesn't look like that. Doesn't look like that. The museum is more modern and with concrete and stuff. This one has that piece of wood as a roof. It's all wooden rendition of the buildings. The Metropolitan Museum. Very interesting. Grant's tomb. Oh, I heard about this. The Oculus. New York Public Library. Oh, so bright. What do we got?
Oh, this is the Rockefeller Center.
They have a really long history, but they kind of downsized.
It's another bridge. Oh, that's an Epcot. That's the Epcot Queensboro Bridge. South Street Seaport. Oh, this is it. Can we go in this way?
Why is the water so dark? And why is there something swimming in there?
Because it's dark, there's something swimming in there.
See, there's something swimming in there.
Oh, that's so cute. It's a temple.
Temple.
Yeah, it's a oh my god, there are two more.
There's a lot of tadpoles.